Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete Atomic Wallet account. To delete your Atomic Wallet account, you will need to delete the wallet itself. So there is no option to directly delete an account. If you want to delete your wallet, then first of all, open the Atomic Wallet app, and before deleting the wallet, ensure you have the backup of your seed phrase. Backing up your seed phrase is crucial for recovering your funds if you change your mind or need to restore your wallet in the future. So in order to do that, go ahead and tap the More button from the first interface of Atomic Wallet, which is located at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, select the Security tab. Click on Private Keys and Backup and enter your wallet's passcode in order to show your private key and backup. Finally, tap on Show Private Key after entering your wallet's password. Tap on the little I've read and understood box at the bottom and click on Show Private Key. Click on the 12-word backup phrase option from the list, and you will then be able to reveal your 12-word backup phrases. Copy the backup phrase by tapping on the copy button at the bottom and paste it in a secure folder or file. Now that you've backed up your private key, get back to the Security tab and then tap on Delete Wallet. Click on Continue. Since you have your 12-word backup phrases, you will be able to restore your wallet anytime you want. Tap Continue in the pop-up and enter your password for your wallet and click on Confirm. Right after you do that, you will be redirected to your home screen of your mobile device, which means you have deleted your wallet. Deleting the wallet will erase all the data associated with it, including your cryptocurrencies and transaction history. So that's how you delete your wallet for Atomic Wallet in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.